Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that larger institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation. So that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation. You can see LULU, which is Lululemon, pop up here in the number 2 overall position at TradeAlgo.com on our main dashboard for our users and subscribers to take advantage of. Today's Friday, December the 8th. Our AI and fast machine learning technology sifting through all public and private exchanges, all stocks available to find the best trading opportunities based on what large institutions are doing, and over 400% increase in institutional bullish pressure. So no surprises that the stock is up nearly 8% as a result. Speed and transparency are key here, though. It's important to get that information before it's already made a nearly 8% move. So if we go to TradeAlgo's alert tab, you can see that at 9:34 a.m., clearly timestamped right there, nearly 6 times the average amount of institutional bullish pressure is identified there. So what our technology is picking up on is the fact that normally only about $454 million of Lulu stock is traded behind closed doors by large market makers over a previous 7-day total average. Today alone, December the 8th, 1.87 billion. So it's more than $1 billion extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time by some of the most influential market makers. Now it starts to make a little bit more sense as to why it's making such a large directional move. If you had followed smart money transactions, and let's say you had done some call options, look at this list of quadruple and even sextuple digit returns, right? I can't remember the last time I said that word, because when was the last time that you've seen a 100,000% return in one day? Now, our AI picked it up at 9:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is between the 9:33 and 9:36 candles. So options were anywhere between about 8 cents to 14 cents. So let's say that you got in at an average of 10 cents. At its maximum, that's an over 13,000% return in one day in just a few hours. Now, it's not about getting all 13,000% out of it. It's very unlikely, actually. It's about having the information down here, having it right on the front of the main dashboard at TradeAlgo, and being able to execute trades using much better data as opposed to hearing about it over here after it's moved over 13,000%. Maybe you didn't even get into the trade until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and you just hopped out on a quick little 30-minute scalp and made nearly 200%. Maybe you didn't get in until lunchtime and you still made 100%. Maybe you rode out some of the bigger wave and you made 2,000%. Get your information down here. Stop chasing it over here. And it wasn't just Lulu, there were many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. So let's just take a look at maybe one or two more. We can go to our trending up side of the equation. We can see DOCU here, number 1 overall at the top of the board, 440% increase in institutional bullish volume. Stock jumps nearly 9% as a result. DOCU identified at 9:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with nearly 11 times the institutional bullish pressure that's normally seen there. So in private exchanges, institutions appear to be going crazy over DocuSign. All identified in real time. You see a huge list of triple and quadruple digit winners, which could have been at your disposal as it was for many of our users. A lot of them were sharing success stories on DocuSign actually in our live trading room. Let's say, for example, you had done the $49 call option. We're going to take a look at the 15-minute chart here because we know our AI picked it up at 9:44. So this is 9:45, which would have been just a minute later at its maximum. That is also nearly a 4,000% return with plenty of time to enter into that trade. Maybe you didn't get in until almost noon, and maybe you still made a triple-digit return. So not only do our users and subscribers have the top opportunities of each day listed right in front of them by going to TradeAlgo.com, we also make it even easier by going through and issuing out alerts to our users as well. So people who are busy with work or are newer to trading, whatever the case may be, instead of going and picking the trade out on their own, they can also just get a simple alert. This was sent at 9:34 a.m. NEO popped up with a huge signal of institutional bullish pressure, so an alert is sent. NEO, $7.50 call option, Friday, December the 8th expiration. Let's go ahead and go to the options chain here. Let's take a look at NEO. We're going to go to the $7.50 call, and we are going to go to the 5-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up in the morning, and then we sent out the alert at 9:34 a.m. So if we go all the way over here to the 9:35 candle, options were an average of 4 cents. At its maximum, a 150% return at 10 cents. We ended up exiting most of the position at a nice 50% return, which is amazing. Imagine making 50% and almost twiddling your thumbs to get there. Everything was sent directly to your cell phone. The entry and the exit of the position, we had plenty more people that were sticking around for the full ride saying, hey, thanks so much, held on a little bit longer, made a 150% return. Congratulations to this user who got out at a 70% return, finishing their trading day 15 minutes into the market being open. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.